My name is Michelle Harrison, and I came here to fix a very long problem and kind of change my life. So growing up, I had a really great smile. My teeth were perfect, they were straight. And then they just started failing, and I had 3 amazing boys. And during the pregnancies, they just deteriorated my teeth, and I fixed them over and over for years and years. And all those fixings just kept breaking to where it just wasn't fixable. And it was changing my life. So it's been almost a year to the date since I did my first surgery. And it was surprisingly not as painful as I thought. I followed the rules. Texas Dental and Dr. Jamin. The staff here was wonderful. Everybody was so kind. Nobody made you feel embarrassed. It was a comfortable feeling. I didn't hesitate. Meeting with other doctors, I had left going, well, let me think. But when I came here, I was ready. I was ready that day. When I first saw my smile after treatment, my son had brought me, and we were driving home, and I'm like flipping down the mirror going, how's it look? How does this look? And he says, it looks great, Mom. You look great. This was good. This was a good decision. I'm so glad I did it.